Changing lathe tools, a beginner's guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting topic that's crucial for anyone working with lathes, especially if you're just beginning to explore the world of woodworking or metalworking. We'll be talking about changing lathe tools. Whether you're learning English or looking to expand your technical vocabulary, this video will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you understand not only the terminology but also the practical aspects of the task at hand. Let's get started. Before we delve into changing tools, let's first understand what a lathe is. A lathe is a machine used to shape materials like wood or metal. By rotating the workpiece against a cutting tool, it allows the operator to cut, sand, drill, or deform the material into the desired shape. Lathes are essential in creating everything from simple wooden bowls to complex metal parts. Lathe tools are the cutting instruments that shape the material. Each tool has a specific purpose. Some are for cutting through metal, while others are designed for detailing wood. Important types of lathe tools include roughing gouge, for quickly removing material, skew chisel, for smooth finishing and creating fine details, parting tool, for cutting the workpiece from the stock material. Knowing when and how to use these tools is crucial for achieving the desired outcome on your project. Changing lathe tools involves several important steps to ensure safety and accuracy in your work. Here's how you do it. 1. Turn off the lathe. Safety first. Always make sure the lathe is turned off before attempting to change tools. 2. Loosen the tool holder. Use the appropriate tool to loosen the holder that secures the lathe tool in place. 3. Remove the current tool. Carefully remove the tool from the holder. 4. Insert the new tool. Place the new tool into the holder, ensuring it's properly aligned. 5. Secure the tool. Tighten the holder to secure the new tool in place. 6. Test. Briefly turn on the lathe to ensure the tool is securely installed and functioning as expected. Changing tools on a lathe requires careful attention to safety. Here are some key tips. Always wear protective gear, such as safety glasses and gloves. Ensure the tool is properly secured to avoid accidents. Never attempt to change tools with the lathe running. Thank you for joining us today to learn about changing lathe tools. Remember, practicing proper safety measures and understanding the function of each tool will enhance your skills and ensure your projects turn out just the way you want them. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Happy turning, and see you in our next video.